Boom, what's up you guys? Byron, Rodgers, Executive Protection Training Day Field Note. No matter what happens when you're doing work as an executive protection agent, never let yourself get flustered. Never let your client or principal or stakeholders see you sweat. Do not let it happen. I don't care if you're getting shot at, if the itinerary is getting messed up, if the PAs are messing up your drivers. Always maintain a cool head. Human beings, they feed off of each other's energy. And one thing that your principals and clients will appreciate is that no matter what happens, you're able to stay cool, stay calm, navigate it, make it not that big of a deal, and flow with what needs to be flowed with. Take a second, breathe, stay grounded, and make the decisions that need to be made. And just win. Get to a positive outcome. Your feelings do not matter. All that matters is the quality of your decisions. The quality of your decisions and the manner in which you make those decisions. That's what will be remembered at the end of the day when you get through the fray with your principals, as inevitably chaos does show up. Just want to drop that on you guys. Join me at epspecialist.com. Come train with us. Let's take your executive protection career to the next level. Let's make this the best year of your executive protection career. Out.